Feeling anxious for no reason? Brain fog killing your focus? What if the real problem is hiding in your gut? Science says your gut might actually be your second brain. And right now, it might be sabotaging you. Every emotion you feel, every mood swing, every foggy moment might not be just in your head. Welcome to the gut-brain axis, one of the most mind-blowing discoveries in modern medicine and a game-changer for anyone struggling with mood disorders, brain fog, or chronic stress. It's a two-way communication network between your digestive system and your central nervous system. And for many of us, it's completely out of balance.
The gut-brain axis is the biochemical and neural connection between your gut and your brain. This connection is powered by the vagus nerve, a long nerve that sends signals both ways, but also by your immune system, your gut barrier, and by the microbiota, the trillions of bacteria living inside your intestines. Here's the kicker. Over 90% of serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter, is produced in the gut. Gut bacteria actually help regulate mood, memory, and inflammation. And when your gut is inflamed, leaky, or imbalanced, it sends stress signals to your brain, constantly. That's why many people with depression, anxiety, or even brain fog also suffer from bloating, gas, constipation, or weird food intolerances. It's one broken system causing both physical and emotional chaos. Yes, your gut is basically texting your brain all day long, and if your gut is inflamed, unbalanced, or full of junk, guess what kind of messages it sends? Think, I'm tired, anxious, bloated, and sad. Yeah, that group chat is toxic. You don't need a diagnosis to have gut-brain axis dysfunction. If you experience things like daily bloating, gas, or constipation, unexplained fatigue or mental fog, anxiety that flares after eating, or even mood swings, poor sleep, or burnout, you're likely dealing with a gut that's misfiring on its messages to the brain. And what's worse, most conventional treatments only focus on the brain. That's like trying to fix a Wi-Fi problem by yelling at your laptop. Now let's talk real solutions, because healing the gut-brain axis means treating both sides of the connection. Here's what works. First up, prebiotics. These are the fibers your good gut bacteria eat. Think onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and chicory root. Next, probiotics, live beneficial bacteria. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or supplements with lactobacillus and bifidobacterium strains can reintroduce balance. And then, nutrients deficiencies in magnesium, vitamin D, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids are all linked to anxiety and poor gut health. Sleep and stress. Poor sleep destroys your microbiome, and chronic stress shrinks your beneficial bacteria. And finally, herbs. Now we're talking my language. Here are 5 powerful herbs that support both your gut and brain, naturally and gently. Chamomile isn't just for sleep. It soothes gut muscle spasms and reduces gut inflammation while calming the nervous system. Lemon balm is a mild herbal anxiolytic that lowers cortisol and supports digestion by relaxing intestinal muscles. Fennel seed is excellent for gas, bloating, and even cramping. It improves gut motility and also relieves nervous tension. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen that lowers cortisol, balances mood, and supports adrenal function without overstimulating the body. Peppermint helps with IBS, gas, and abdominal pain while also increasing alertness and mental clarity. And yes, we've combined all 5 into a gut-brain tea blend. Want the recipe? Just drop gut-brain tea in the comments and I'll share it with you. You don't need expensive therapy or a pile of meds to start healing your brain. Start with your gut. A few food swaps, quality sleep, nutrient support, and honestly, a good herbal tea ritual can work wonders. And no, you don't need to go on a 21-day celery juice cleanse or chant mantras to your probiotics. Trust me, when your gut stops screaming, your brain stops panicking, and suddenly you're not crying over pasta commercials anymore. So if your gut and brain are constantly at war, it's time to sign the peace treaty, naturally. Subscribe for more no-nonsense herbal and holistic tips. Drop gut brain tea in the comments for the recipe. And remember, a calm gut equals a clear mind. Don't forget to steep some peace